West Karbi Anglong District, Mr. Borua. Logote, our additional SP, Mr. Korbuya, Engti College. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to call upon the Adi Mahamad I'd like to Engti College. Now I'd like to ask Department of Accounting. Now I'd like to ask Mr. Instructor, Department of Economics. Now I'd like to call upon Rukmi Engti, Semsonsing Engti College, to come on stage, Political Science. Now I'd like to call upon Krishna Devi. Now I'd like today in this very moment. Now Lamini Terami. Now I'd like to come by our Honorable SP.
Congratulations on completing this part of your journey with beautiful memories and great accomplishment. It has been a pleasure meeting and teaching this friendly batch. It is a bittersweet moment as this is the last time we are gathered together. I am at the end of the bridge that took me many sweet and treats but also a joy. Today, I'm really proud of being a part of your achievement over the years in curricular and extracurricular activities. During this tenure, you laughed and cried, attended college functions, and bunked classes. I'm sure that you all are going to miss all this. Thank you for all the hilarious laughter and unforgettable memories that you have shared. I wish you all happy adventures.
I went continuously 3 days in very far from our states. So for that, I feel lazy. But since this is the farewell program for the ages second year students conducted by our student unions, I would like to share a message or a few tips for learning.
Understand, you have every answer for every question. কারণ তৎকালীনত আমি কি জানো প্ৰতিটো প্ৰশ্নৰ ইয়াৰ উত্তৰ আছে। Every problem has its own solution. যিকোনো সমস্যাই হওক ইয়াৰ সমাধান আছে।
আমি আজি এখন নিকেতনৰ পৰা বিদায় লৈ নিজ লক্ষ্যস্থানলৈ যাবলৈ ওলাইছো, কিন্তু আগলৈ যাবলৈ অলপ দুখ লাগিছে এইবাবে যে